What do you think? Lots of snow? Yeah. Crazy. Whew. Snowstorm. Got your feet. Yeah, I think this is a snowstorm. This is like 3 inches an hour. It's crazy. Huh?
Like a dream.
Like a cold dream. I'm gonna get in the heater here. Oh, it feels better. Ah, the heat. Okay.
Lots of snow.
Look at down there near the street. Look down there. You can see how much it's coming down. That's an ambulance.
Yeah.
Wow.
Wow.
Amazing. That's why they said 3 inches an hour. They're not going to be able to keep up with this. We're going to get hammered. If it stays the way it's going, it's going to be very, very... There's going to be a lot of snow. Like a blizzard.
Wow. Hi everyone.
Hello.
Yeah.
Hi.
From Chicago.
Yeah, it's the hours after the snowstorm. We're going to go out and check out the brave new cold world and go for a walk. Hopefully it won't be too cold. Putting layers on. So we're heading out. Last night we had kind of like blizzard conditions and had the first snow before that in the morning, light snow, and then it got crazy from lake effect snow off of Lake Michigan. And now we're gonna go outside. I think it's about 35 degrees, so it's kind of warm compared to last night, and just go for a walk and get some steps in, and just check out Chicago after the snow right there.
Yeah. What do you call such storm? Snowstorm.
Snowstorm?
Yeah.
Thunder, snow, snowstorm? Yeah. Yeah, so
Yeah,
it wasn't a blizzard too much, but it seemed like it might have been. But down south, they got a lot more snow than Chicago. I think maybe 3 or 4 inches here and maybe 7, 8 inches down in the south suburbs where some of our family lives. So anyway, going to head out once again, get steps in, get cold, and then head back to the condo here to warm back up.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Well, it's cold. Right there?
Yeah.
Cold? How about that breeze? Feel good? Refreshing, isn't it? So the breeze is definitely below freezing. It's probably like 25 degrees. The wind chill. Weather sucks right now, but caution, falling ice. So cold. Oh, definitely have some snow they shoveled off the streets. It's melting though. Whew. Chilly. Here comes the breeze. Once we get up here in Randolph, it'll be nice and breezy. Here we go. Oh, that's not too bad. It's better than I thought. Watch your step. It's already starting turning black, the snow. Huh? Cold? That's the Zamboni for the ribbon. It flattens out the ice so people could skate on it. They're making ice for the skating ribbon. Yeah, I was just thinking about that. Cool. See, it's like laying water down and making it flat, I think. I don't know, maybe that's what it does. Here, honey. See the water coming out of it at the end? Yeah. Makes it nice and smooth. There might be people on this thing tonight, ice skating, if they haven't already. Wow, that's quick. And the concrete has like an air conditioner to keep it frozen even when it warms up. Pretty cool. Good timing. Gonna be perfect in no time. Oh, chilly. Excuse me. There's the Lake Michigan, but can't really see it. And the lake effect. Anyway, let's go warm up, okay? Let's go now. We're at 400 East Randolph. They remodeled our old lobby. This is where Pim and I lived for 4 years. I lived here for 10. And this building, we came here to warm up, so we got free heat. And if anybody gives us a problem, I just say, hey, we lived here for 10 years. Anyway, nice and warm. Lobby looks nice, huh? Yeah. It's nice and warm. Yeah. People call it the Willis Tower. That's the Sears Tower. I'm gonna go down to the park here. We used to stay, 400. And head back to the condo. It's cold, very cold. Lakeshore East Park. Oof. Oh, cold. Careful. They only shovel half the stairs. Yes. Kids are brave. Vinny, Tegan, and Josephine would be in there. Right, kids? Oh, it's cold. Trees are still colorful, beautiful. Cold? Yeah. Here we go. Cut right here. Watch it, it's slippery, it's icy. Looks like marshmallow mums. Birds. Okay, time to go back to the condo.